Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Reels history on Facebook. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now you'll be able to see here, I'm on an iPhone opening up the Facebook app. You can do the same steps if you're on an Android or a computer, it works the exact same. Now from here, the easiest way to do it is to tap on the Reels icon. And once you're in Reels, as you start watching some Reels and you swipe through, and you maybe wanted to go back and rewatch a Reel, maybe this one or a different one that you watched a previous day. The easiest way to be able to do that is get to your Reels profile. You can see as I swipe down at the very top right, that little profile icon disappears. So I'm going to swipe up to be able to get to that profile and just tap on it. And now you can see your library. It shows you your recently saved Reels at the very top. But if you didn't save it, that's perfectly fine because you can see liked Reels as well. These are all of the Facebook Reels that you've liked. And if you don't see it in there, you can also go to watched Reels. Now, keep in mind when you go to this doesn't work super well because for whatever reason, it doesn't show you every single Reel. So if you do go back, sometimes you need to go into shared Reels or liked Reels to be able to see that entire Reels history. And once you're in here, you can always just tap on a Reel to rewatch it if you wanted to rewatch it. Or you could, of course, just tap on those three dots. And you can choose to save to watch it later, or in some instances, you can remove it from your watch history. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.